left her, dude. I just left the cat in the fridge that entire game.
No, the fuck.
Yes, I did, bro. Listen. I swear to God, I have short-term memory loss because I put that cat there sometimes because it goes in there and it's so fucking annoying. Just when I get a quick drink of something, and I put her in there and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go smoke weed and go get her back to teach her a lesson. I didn't come back.
Did you just like
I heard
open the
meow.
fridge and you were like, oh.
Bro, no, I heard her meow and I shot up after my seat, went opened the fucking door. She was by the eggs. I was trying to catch her because she was like pouring out. The eggs fell over. 3 of them fucking broke. I have yolk all over me. It's fucking terrible.
Bro.
I feel terrible. Bro. My heart was racing at that moment. I was like, I just killed my cat.